Hello, I'm Guy Hudson, I'm a physicist, and I'm here to talk about EMF meters. That's electromagnetic field meters. They measure the physical fields in an objective way of the electrosmog around us. Now, when I do surveys, I look at various things. This meter here, for instance, measures low frequency magnetic and low frequency electric fields. And at those frequencies, the electric field and the magnetic field can be separated, and it gives a good, accurate indication. And I found a great deal out with this meter. I found things like the magnetic fields coming from car tyres are absolutely enormous and need to be demagnetized. But interesting meter, and a lot can be found out using this. Also, fields from mains electricity as well. So this one here is a medium range meter which has got a broad frequency response from 200 megahertz up to 8 gigahertz. Now those figures don't mean a lot to most people, but basically they're in the microwave, or they're the fast end of radio. And so there's a lot of sophisticated equipment now that needs to have a lot of information transferred in the radio waves, Wi-Fi, mobile phones, those kind of things, all use microwaves, just like a microwave oven does. They're everywhere, and they're getting ever more complex. And the clever thing about this meter is that it gives a sound output which allows you to differentiate much as you can when you listen to, say, a band playing music. You can hear the voice and you can hear the different instruments. Here I can hear when it's Wi-Fi, when it's mobile phone, whether it's the mobile phone itself or the laptop, or whether it's the mast, or whether it's the Wi-Fi modem. You can get all that from that meter. But this is one that I actually sell. This is the Graham-Stetzer, or measures in GS, standing for Graham-Stetzer units, so-called dirty electricity. And 70% of our power, according to the IEEE, is now taken by electronic devices. And these sophisticated devices, power supplies for mobile phones, computers, TVs, whatever it might be, often don't take power as cleanly as they should. And so what's left on the mains is so-called dirty. It's not a clean signal anymore. And that dirty signal contains a lot of high frequency transients, or jaggedy bits, and those jaggedy bits are actually radio frequency, and they radiate out from the wires and have some biological effects. This meter, you just plug it in, and it gives you a simple reading of the amount or level of dirty electricity. Now, there are lots of other meters, and the important thing about these meters is they give you an objective reading, and you can then take steps in a logical process to reduce those levels of electrosmog problem by problem. So these meters are a very useful tool. I hope this has been useful for you. Thank you.